Ever wondered what foods you can eat without worrying about gaining weight? Well, you're not alone. The pursuit of enjoying food while maintaining a healthy weight is a universal endeavor. And today, we're going to delve into that very mystery. We're going to introduce you to 20 foods that you can savor without a second thought about weight gain. Foods that are not only delicious, but also your allies in your health journey. Stay tuned as we unfold the mystery of these amazing weight-friendly foods. Scene script. Kickstarting our list with the first group of these fantastic foods. First up, we have broccoli. This green powerhouse is packed with vitamins K and C along with a good dose of fiber. It's low in calories, making you feel full without adding to your daily calorie count. Plus, it's a great source of antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals in your body. Next, let's move on to spinach. This leafy green is not only low in fat and cholesterol, but it's also high in niacin and zinc as well as protein, fiber, vitamins A, C, E, and K, thiamine, vitamin B6, folate, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, copper, and manganese. That's quite a nutritional punch, plus its versatility in meals is a big win. Now let's talk about tomatoes. A fruit that's often mistaken for a vegetable, tomatoes are high in vitamin C and other antioxidants. They offer a sweet flavor to various dishes without adding many calories. Not to mention they contain lycopene, a compound linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. Oranges take the fourth spot on our list. They're not just a tasty fruit to enjoy, but they're also a great source of fiber and vitamin C. They also contain antioxidants that help fight inflammation. Plus, their high fiber and water content can help keep you feeling full, which may prevent overeating. Last but not least in this group, we have cucumbers. Composed of about 95% water, they are perfect for hydration and are great for weight management because they can be filling without adding significant calories. They also contain a good amount of vitamins K and C and are a refreshing addition to any meal or snack. These 5 foods are not just incredibly nutritious, but they also play an important role in managing your weight. They make you feel full, provide essential nutrients, and help combat various health issues, all while keeping your calorie count low. We're just getting started. The next set of foods are even more surprising. Moving on to the next set of foods that won't contribute to your weight gain. Let's start with strawberries. These delicious little fruits are not only low in calories and high in fiber, but they also contain anthocyanins. These plant compounds have been shown in studies to assist in weight management by increasing insulin production and reducing blood sugar levels. So, next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a bowl of strawberries. Next up, bell peppers. These colorful veggies are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. They're low in calories and rich in water content, making them an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy weight. Plus, their high vitamin C content can help to speed up your metabolism, aiding in fat burning. Coming up next are mushrooms. These earthy delights are a great source of protein and fiber. They're low in calories but high in volume, helping you feel full without overloading on calories. Plus, they're versatile and can be added to just about any dish for a tasty and nutritious boost. Zucchini is another food that's great for weight management. This summer squash is low in calories and high in water content. It's also a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes a feeling of fullness and helps control overeating. Plus, it's rich in vitamin A, which supports a healthy metabolism. And finally, we have grapefruit. This tangy fruit is not only packed with vitamin C, but it also contains a compound called naringin, known for its fat-burning properties. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming half a grapefruit before meals can lead to significant weight loss. So there you have it, 5 more foods that can help you maintain a healthy weight without sacrificing flavor. From the sweetness of strawberries to the tangy kick of grapefruit, there's something here for every palate. Are you ready for the next set of amazing weight-friendly foods? Diving deeper into the world of foods that are kind to your waistline, let's uncover the next 5 superstars on our list. First up, lentils. These tiny legumes pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. They're loaded with protein and fiber, both of which are key to feeling satiated. Plus, their low glycemic index means they won't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar. This makes lentils a great choice for steady, sustainable energy and weight management. Next, we have cauliflower. This versatile vegetable is a low-calorie option that's rich in fiber and water content. It tricks your stomach into feeling full, thereby curbing overeating. What's more, cauliflower is a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants, promoting overall health while keeping those extra pounds at bay. On deck next is kale. the leafy green that has taken the health world by storm. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with nutrients like vitamins A, K, and C. The fiber content aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, making kale a great addition to your weight management plan. Let's not forget about blueberries. These little berries are bursting with antioxidants and vitamin C. They're also high in fiber but low in calories, making them a perfect snack for those who want to keep their weight in check. And the sweet, tangy taste? That's just a bonus. Last but not least for this segment, blackberries. Similar to blueberries, these berries are rich in fiber and antioxidants but low in calories. They also contain a good amount of water, which helps you feel full and hydrated. Plus, their sweet and slightly tart flavor can satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. So, there you have it. Lentils, cauliflower, kale, blueberries, and blackberries. Each one a champion in its own right, fighting the good fight against weight gain while delivering a host of health benefits. The final set of foods might just be the most unexpected yet. Unveiling the last set of foods that are perfect for those mindful of their weight. We start with oatmeal. Perfect for breakfast, oatmeal is a powerhouse of fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. It's also low in fat and high in protein, making it an ideal choice for weight management. Next up, we have almonds. Don't let the high-fat content of these nuts fool you. The fats in almonds are mostly monounsaturated fat, which is heart-healthy and can help reduce belly fat. Plus, almonds are packed with protein and fiber, both of which can help control your hunger pangs. Our third food is quinoa. This superfood is one of the few plant foods that offer all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. It's also high in fiber and has a low glycemic index, which means it won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar that can lead to overeating. Chia seeds come in at number 4. These tiny seeds are a great source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They absorb water and expand in your stomach, helping you feel full and reducing your appetite. Plus, they're a versatile addition to any meal, from smoothies to salads. And lastly, we have green tea. This beverage is more than just a comforting drink. It's packed with antioxidants and contains a type of catechin called EGCG, which is known to boost metabolism. Studies suggest that drinking green tea can help burn calories and shed pounds. Each of these foods brings something unique to the table, whether it's fiber, protein, healthy fats, or metabolism-boosting properties. But remember, these foods alone won't make you lose weight. They should be part of a balanced and healthy diet coupled with regular exercise. That concludes our list of 20 foods that won't make you gain weight, but we're not done yet. To sum it all up, we've journeyed through a list of 20 fantastic foods that are not just delicious, but also packed with tremendous health benefits. Each of these foods has its unique qualities, yet they all share some common characteristics that make them an excellent choice for those seeking a healthier lifestyle and effective weight management. Let's take a quick recap. We started our list with foods like leafy greens and berries, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, yet low in calories. Then we moved on to proteins like eggs and chicken breast, which are not just low in fat, but also help to keep you feeling full longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. We also discussed fibrous foods like oats and brown rice, which aid digestion and help maintain a healthy weight. Not to mention the healthy fats found in avocados and almonds, which are essential for brain function and overall health. Then we explored the world of legumes, including lentils and chickpeas, which are rich in protein and fiber, keeping you satisfied while also promoting good heart health. And let's not forget about the fruits and vegetables like apples, cucumber, and bell peppers, packed with nutrients and hydration, yet very low in calories. We rounded off our list with foods like Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, high in protein and calcium, contributing to bone health and muscle growth. And finally, the sweet treats like dark chocolate, which is not just a guilt-free indulgence but also a great source of antioxidants. So, what do all these foods have in common? They are all high in nutritional value, low in calories, and can play a significant role in weight management. They help you feel full without overloading you with unnecessary calories. Plus, they are versatile and can be incorporated into your meals in numerous ways, making them an easy addition to your diet. But let's not forget, these foods are just one piece of the puzzle. They need to be part of a balanced diet, coupled with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about eating the right foods, but also about maintaining a balance in all aspects of life. In conclusion, these 20 foods offer a great starting point for anyone looking to maintain a healthy weight without sacrificing taste or nutrition. They are proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. Remember, it's not just about eating these foods, but incorporating them into a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Before we part ways, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've taken today. We've explored 20 foods that can be a valuable addition to our diets without causing weight gain. But remember, it's not just about what's on your plate. Maintaining a healthy weight involves a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and a holistic approach to lifestyle. Think about how you can incorporate these foods into your meals. Perhaps it's swapping out a high-calorie snack for a piece of fruit, or adding some leafy greens to your dinner plate. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Finally, remember that everyone's body is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching.